Good morning of all the students of class 4. Today I am going to teach you the first lesson, a bell for the cat. Dear students, in this lesson at first I want to tell you what are fables. There are many stories in which animals talk like human beings, and such stories are called fables. Aesop was a famous story writer, and he lived about 26,000 years ago in Greece. He wrote many stories in which animals talk. The stories are known as Aesop's fables, which were written by him. Now let us start the story. The another story of Aesop's fable. It is about a cat. Once upon a time there was a cat, and giving the mice a big problem. It was catching and eating many of them one day. Very suddenly, the poor mouse said, "What can we do?" Because all the mice were afraid of the cat. What can we do? There were no any solutions for him. One day, all the mice were sad, so he called a meeting and said, "We must find some way anyhow to solve the problem. How can we keep that hungry cat from catching any more of us?" Each one in the meeting talked and talked, but none could think what type we can escape these problems. At last, a little mouse stood up and said, "I know how to solve the problem." All the mice talked, tail squeak, shouted all others. Then stopped shouting and listened. The little mouse said, "The cat makes no noise." That means when the cat comes, no any sound produce, because it is so quiet. It comes quietly and catches one of us. We cannot hear any sound of its paws. I think we should put a bell around the cat's neck, because when the cat comes, the bell rings and all the mouse will run away to hear the sound of bell. How wise, shouted one. We are saved, we are saved, shouted another. But it is a great task. We shall put the bell on the cat, shouted all the others. But all the mice began to shout with joy. But who will do this work? Among them there was a quite old mouse. He stood up. Your plan is okay. If this work runs properly, certainly we can save our lives. But who can bail the cat? That is a good idea, he said. A bell on the cat, yes, a bell on the cat, a bell on the cat. But all of you tell me who will bail the cat. At once the whole room became the quiet. Yes, tells who will bail the cat. No any mouse was ready to do this difficult task. All the mouse said, "No, I cannot," and ran out of the room. One by one, like this, one by one, all the mice ran out of the room. No one was ready to bail the cat. So, all my dear students, it is easier said than done. That means saying is easy, but do the work is very difficult. Thanks.